Okay, guys, you know earthquake. I already know the earthquake. So, earthquake! It's an earthquake! What? It's an earthquake! Wow, what's that? It's an earthquake! Okay, that's the emergency of the earthquake. My gosh, guys, the earthquake is really danger. Whew. I never heard it before. So bye guys, it's an earthquake.